Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your MobiOffice app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in this, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to auto check for updates, clicking this sign. Like you see, this color show for us has mean auto check for updates enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.